Hi guys, I'm Curtis Kennedy. I'm the founder and CEO at Vertiball. Today, I want to show you how easy it is to use your product right out of the box so you can start feeling your best in just a few short minutes. The first step is finding the right surface. Smooth, painted drywall works great, but so do a lot of other household surfaces that you may not be aware of. These surfaces include painted wood, metals, laminates, and plastics. The first thing you need to do is remove the suction pad cover from the suction pad. Next, you'll notice that the product comes in two pieces. So press down on the latch to eject the attachment. Pull back the lever to its unactivated position, and then place the suction pad firmly against the surface at a height of your choosing. To activate the suction pad, continue to press firmly down on the mount, and then turn the latch to its locked position. For your first time using a new surface, we recommend letting it stay on the wall for 90 seconds, and then do a test by pulling it sideways. If the mount doesn't slide, then your product is secured firmly to the surface and you can go forward with running your recovery session using Vertiball. Now all you need to do is slide the attachment onto the mount until it locks into place, and then you are ready to start using Vertiball. While Vertiball can stay on the right surface for a few days, we always recommend taking it off directly after your recovery session is finished. To remove Vertiball from the surface, press down on the latch to eject the attachment, remove the attachment from the mounting system, pull back on the latch to release the suction, hold the mount, lift one of the corners of the suction pad and remove it from the surface.